everybody, welcome back to my channel. So now we're going to get into this box. This box is Universe Bound Book Box, and this is box number 3. I have been doing these boxes since they started, and I love it. Like I said before, I just cannot express how much this box amazes me. I'm just amazed over it. So this box is $32.99 a month. In the United States, they do have a Canadian box, which is $27. And we cannot forget our international friends, and that box is $62 a month. But at least they have an international box. And that is awesome because everybody in the world likes to read, so why not? So this book box is an eclectic mix of science fiction, fantasy, thrillers, and mystery. Practical items as in like candles and teas and treats, because you have to have a nice cup of hot tea. So, all right, guys, let's get into this box. He did send me an email that said there are 2 things in this box that are not listed on the content card, which is fine and well. I don't mind breaking open my iPad and reading what those 2 things are. So let's see what this box looks like on the inside. I did open this box and I did take some of the little squigglies out, but those squigglies are very important because they protect everything in my box. And we're going to see what it looks like. That's what it looks like when we open this up. Isn't that just beautiful? Okay, and here is our card, Universe Book Bound. And this is box 3. On the back, there are the contents of my box. So we're going to set that right there, and we will refer to that as we go through. Okay, so first thing I see on the top is Universe Bound Bath Salts, Necronian Magic Nanites, Ancient Alien Technology. And these are bath salts. And it says inside you'll find nanites from the planet Necron, the origin of magic and home to the ancient alien people known as Inalert. Nanites are a hyper advanced alien nanotechnology that gives the wielder, yeah, I think that's wielder. It just didn't look right when I was reading it. Seemingly fantastic magical powers. And that's the little card that comes with it. And on the back are the instructions. And bath salts are pretty, you know, amazing. That smells so great. That's going to be awesome in the bath. That, it smells like a rose garden. It smells amazing. So let's see what our email says about this bath salt. The bath salts are dead sea salt, Epsom salt, and baking soda. The coloring is mica powder soap dye. Okay. It says the scents for the bath salts and soap is Necronia Magic, Sweet Orange, Lang Lang, and Sage. And then it says enjoy. So that, love that, love that. I always love getting bath salts. Anything that has to do with bath or soaps or any, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then we also have some soap. Speaking of soap, there is, it says hold the soap up to the light. You should see a nebula-like pattern. So here is, I'm not sure we're going to be able to, oh, but I can see the pattern. How am I going to do this for you guys? Let's see. I'll be right back. I'm going to find a flashlight and shine it on the soap so that you guys can see it, because this thing is amazing. I'll be right back. Okay, I took a picture of it and you should be able to see it right over there. Okay, on to the rest. All right, so then we have our treats. Now they always send you treats, and this is, I'm assuming, chocolate biscotti. I'm assuming. But there it is. It's nannies or nonies. It's nonies, not nannies. It's nonies. Chocolate covered biscotti. I think chocolate biscotti. Yeah, because the chocolate's on the back side of it. And this, we had this last month and this was amazing. And I'm sure it's going to be amazing this month too. Love the treats that are included in this box. And then we have our tin of treats, and this has tea and treats in here. And the treats are coffee bean, caramel candy, and Pepperidge Farm chessmen cookies. And let's see here. I think somebody's at my door. Anyway, there's the candies that come in. These candies, they don't last but maybe 3 days in my hands. And then what is this thing here? That must be the tea. No. Oh, this is the tea. This tea is red hot hibiscus tea. Sweet cinnamon and tart hibiscus are a blend to a perfect balance. Orange zest provides a fruity background. The tea is fantastic hot or iced, and actually deserves an extra steep time for its full flavor to shine. Ooh, red hot cinnamon. That's my favorite candy in the world. Anything cinnamon. Cinnamon candles. Of course, you can't eat candles now. Don't get me crazy now. But I love the scent of cinnamon. I love the taste of cinnamon. I'm weird like that, I suppose. But you sent me cinnamon tea. I'm on this. I'm all over it. I'm going to have me a cup when I get done with this video because I love it. And the scent is amazing. Woo! Love it. So I'm trying to figure out what this is. Oh, great. It is the tea bags, the empty tea bags. And we're going to close this back up. I love these little tins. They are great. Close. Thank you. All right. Now let's see what else we have in here. Oh, we have a candle. We have a candle. Our candle this month is called Immortal. It's a special candle with a unique scent. Immortal is what, well, there we go. Immortal is what makes simple humans great. And this has clary sage, rock rose, and lang lang. Okay, and now we have, there's a little bag here. Let's see what's in this little bag. I'm thinking it might be another treat. That would be awesome. And I was right. You probably can't see in there, so I'm going to just get them out. And little cookies. Let's see here. These are Pepperidge Farm chessmen cookies. I love these cookies. These are so addicting. Probably no one else in this house will get any because I'm gonna eat them all because I love them and they're yummy. So then we get our bookmarks, and that is the picture from when we first opened the box up. And Science is Magic That Works, Kurt Vonnegut. And this is Mythical Legends Publishing. That's the first one. And then this one says that peace which is within us, we must experience it. And if we are searching for peace outside, we will never find the peace within. Prem Rawat. I think that's how you say it. Rawat, I think. And there's that, and then there's the back. That's beautiful. The back is beautiful. And then it's universebound.com. And then we have one more, and this one is The Soul That Is Within Me, No Man Can Degrade, Frederick Douglass. And there's that one. Very, very pretty bookmarks. I love these bookmarks. They definitely come in handy. Okay, so now we are going to get on to the books, and the first book up is called The Killing Moon. And this book is by N.K. Jemisin, I think that's how you say it. And in the ancient city of, oh my goodness, how am I going to say these words? Gujaareh. Guare. Is that how you say it? Guare. Peace is the only law. Upon its rooftops and amongst the shadows of its cobbled streets wait the gatherers, the keepers of this peace. Priests of the dream goddess, their duty is to harvest the magic of the sleeping mind and use it to heal, soothe, and kill those judged corrupt. But when a conspiracy blooms within the Gawara's great temple, a hero, the most famous of the city's gatherers, must question everything he knows. Someone or something is murdering dreamers in the goddess's name, stalking its prey both in Gawara alleys and the realm of dreams. A hero must now protect the woman he was sent to kill, or watch the city be devoured by war and forbidden magic. Sounds like a juicy, juicy book. Here's the back. I have squigglies all over it. That looks like a good book. This is book 1 of the Dream Blood and the Killing Moon. This is going to be a really good book. I really have a good feeling about all 3 of these books. These books hook me with just the title and then the description. I'm already like, okay, let's get this book going, because this book sounds really interesting and I cannot wait. I cannot wait to read this book. Okay, let's move on to the next book. And this next book is called Grid, Traveler Trinity by J. Carell Jones. And here's the book. And it says, after searching the galaxy for centuries, the Most High Goddess found planet Necron, the origin of magic. They also discovered Captain Sean Blakemore is one of a handful of humans with ancient alien DNA that can unlock the planet's vast powers. Sean Blakemore, commander of the GRID battle cruiser Reginald L. Johnson, wallowed in self-loathing. He drank too much, suffered from depression, and swam in self-pity. He figured life could not suck any worse when he received new orders. He had to hand the Johnson over to another commanding officer. God hated him, he thought. Then, Dr. Logger, head scientist in charge of this new mission, drew him into the semi-secret world of the Most High Goddess. She gave him hope. Grid, or GRID, Traveler Trinity, is a story of Sean's redemption from rock bottom to discovering humankind's true origins and possibly its inevitable future. So there it is, that book. And here is the 2 things. Those 2 go together. And these are Grid Traveler trading cards. A quick bio of some of the Grid Traveler characters. Most of the characters appear in the Trinity book, while a few will appear in the next book release graphic novel. All of these books have books after them. Oh boy. But here are the trading cards. I don't think I'm gonna open these, but there's the back, and it does give you like a backstory on the planet. This one would be, and then this would be, that is the Sean Blakemore that they're talking about, and the something that goes along with the book. And then we have one last thing in here. Ooh, squigglies all over. Ooh, okay, all right, another book right up my alley, The Witch's Almanac. And here it is. Look at that pretty black cat on there. And this is founded in 1971. by Elizabeth Pepper, the long-time art director of Gourmet Magazine. Sorry, I was covering myself up. Gourmet Magazine. The Witch's Almanac is a witty, literate, and sophisticated publication that appeals to general readers as well as hardcore Wiccans and magicians. On one level, it is a pop reference that will fascinate anyone interested in folklore, mythology, and culture. But on another, it is the most sophisticated and wide-ranging annual guide available today for occultists and mysticism enthusiasts. All right, I am gonna like this book. Okay, so yep, this is going to be a great book. This book box it's just amazing. I truthfully love this book box. I am going to leave you guys a link down below where you can click that link, head on over, get yourself one of these boxes because they're amazing and you will have no problem with customer service. As far as the curator goes, he's amazing. So if you have any questions, you can email him and he will answer any and all questions that you may or may not have. It's well worth the $32.99 a month. Well worth it. It is amazing. And here's all of the stuff that is going to fall everywhere because that's just, my luck. But there it all is. You get 3 books. Last month I got 3 books. This month I got 3 books. It's well worth the $32.99. So if you want to get your own universe bound book box, click the link, head on over there and get yourself started with this. This will definitely open your mind to a whole nother realm of books. It has me, and it's been a godsend because I never thought I would ever read books like this, but I love them. So, all right, guys, well, that is it for this video. I just want to say, if you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right over there, and I will see you in my next video real soon. I hope that you have a wonderful day. All right, bye.